Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day as we are embarking on an early morning adventure. As you can see, the fog is everywhere all around us, and I couldn't think of a better way to start my day. It's a beautiful day and a tranquil morning with the fog enveloping everywhere. The air is crisp.
And finally I reached to my destination very successfully. I'm just proud of myself a lot.
Alright, we have had a productive morning here.
Ta-da!
And now it's time for a well deserved treat. We are heading to IKEA Mumbai. As you can see, the innovative design and the creative solution IKEA offers, it's always inspiring to visit this place. One of the things I adore about IKEA is cozy ambience. It's perfect place to unwind and enjoy the meal with the good vibes all around. Now it's time to satisfy our hunger. Here is our meal. I couldn't resist order their famous dal makhani and the healthy salad. The dal makhani is creamy and full of flavor, and the salad adds a refreshing crunch. It's an incredible combination. No wonder people love the food here. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the